Hi, today we're going to be talking about multiple tangents. Let's get started. So basically, if I have two tangent lines at a circle who intersect at one point, then the distance, these two distances are congruent. Okay? So we've actually seen tangent lines before, multiple tangent lines before, when we were drawing in circles. Realize that these two are tangent lines, and these two are tangent lines, and these two are tangent lines. Okay? So let's see, and we are to find the perimeter. Let's do this. So we know that this, I want to switch colors. So we know that this length is congruent to this length, right? By our the theorem we showed at on the last page. So x equals 3. We realize that this length is congruent to this length, right? By our previous theorem again. So y is equal to 4. And we realize that this length is equal to this length. So z is equal to 2. So the perimeter is just 3 plus 3 plus 4 plus 4 plus 2 plus 2, or in other words, 2 times 2 plus 3 plus 4, which is equal to 2 times 9, right? 2 plus 3, yep. 2 times 9, which is equal to 18. So the perimeter is 18 units. Okay, so I hope that helped, and I hope to see you soon.